Edward Shambaugh again here in your fire pump room. Real briefly, this is your fire pump. Your fire pump is going to maintain, or I should say, it's going to make sure in case of an emergency, if it's ever needed, that the water pressure necessary on any of the floors is there. If a head goes off, this is going to maintain the pressure that is necessary to operate the fire sprinkler system. All your fire sprinkler control valves are indicating of which way the water is flowing and whether they are open or closed. This valve here operates the test header that we looked at outside. This is what we'll open in order to flow the water to test your pump. Here is your supply coming in, and eventually all these valves will have signs on them indicating what position they are to be in the normal operating mode. Whether they're supposed to be open, whether they're supposed to be closed. Here's your city bypass. This water comes in case the pump ever goes down, something, you will still always have water to the sprinkler systems.
Okay.
This is your discharge. Goes into your tank. This is your jockey pump. Your jockey pump is meant to maintain the pressure in the systems on a regular basis. Once the jockey pump can no longer keep up with the loss of pressure, that is what's going to turn your fire pump on.
So, a couple questions. These gauges, is there anything the maintenance people should be looking at in here every so often to see if there's issues with the system?
They should just know what the normal pressures are. All these gauges are liquid filled, so they have a good life expectancy. They should last quite a while, and they should be calibrated every so often. It's not your normal gauge what you'll see on a riser. They are all liquid filled. They're meant to be accurate and last a long time.
Okay.
You want to see your controller?
Sure.
This is your fire pump controller. Right now it's off. Once it's operational in a normal operating procedure, all of it will be on. This is what will turn the pump on if it's needed. That controller over here is your jockey pump controller. So like we said, the jockey pump is what maintains the pressure on a regular basis, and once the jockey can no longer keep up, the fire pump will kick on. But this is your jockey pump controller. This is where we test the jockey pump. There's a test valve over there for your fire pump controller, and that's about it.